Go with 0.5% is risk right now. Okay, this is the point why I'm going because of these 3 minute candles I'm going. Okay, 0.3% is risk. Stop loss is at 1785. Keep it at 90 level. First thing in your account. Target I have kept at 1745. 1:2.2. Yes, we can go for PL buy side. Not convinced yet. PL buy if you are going. This is the point of rejection which we have. And in higher time frame, if we see, the market has been still in downtrend. It can be a trap. We will not be going for buy side. We can go for buy side at this particular level from this particular level, but from here if we are going, it can be trapped. We can get trapped. Okay. A bit early entry, I can say in Grasim we have done it. We can expect the market to come downside from this particular level. SL in Grasim, we have generally kept at this level, which is at 1785, but we'll keep it at, like in your account, just keep at 1790. But as soon as the candle is closing, we'll exit the trade. Okay, because in a case we can hit your stop also because of that. We'll not be looking for a sell side in buy side in PVR, because PVR is at very important level. If you see, it is at 0.618 level. It has just crossed. Okay, so it might be riskier to take it up. We can go for sell in ACC short position. This is a bit higher price weight. 32 and 36 is a higher price. We'll wait for some time. If in a case if it is coming around 35, then we can go ahead and take up the trade. Okay, for a target up to here. PL not yet. ACC, even if you want to sell it out, you should be selling at the price of around 34, not lesser than that. We won't be doing it. 35K level pe hai. We'll not be taking today a bigger risk. 36, it is going up now. No worries, we are getting into that's the reason. So you will get a chance to enter now at 37. Go with 0.5 risk, not more than that. This is the level which it should cross to give us the good entry, or basically good target. I hope everyone is reducing their quantity, because I'm telling you, go with 0.5% risk, not more than that. This is what I'm expecting it to do. It might go in range. If this range is broken, then this target is nothing. And in Bata Grasim, this is the level where we want closing. Okay, because if we see trend line is it has been broken kind of, but a kind of one small retest will be coming, then that is good. Since second half you'll be getting good entries, but as of now, that's the reason I told that we have to go for 0.5 risk, 5% is risk, not more than that. And how many of you have followed that, or you have blindly purchased your regular quantity? Followed everyone? How many of you have blindly taken the quantity as you have been taking it up? Half quantity, right? It can happen anything. So whatever is going to happen, we'll just have to accept it. the situation that it is all are at correct resistance, so we can expect a reversal. So that's the reason we are not keeping our stop loss at this point of time. We'll be keeping our stop loss a bit higher because it may come till here and it can bounce back. Okay. Or you can say that all the market is in positive mode and we have gone for, so that can also impact, but nothing. Now see, even if this level was getting broken, still we didn't go for it because there is a major resistance over here. And right now it is showing us buying selling entry, but still I'm avoiding it because of the market situation which we are having it right now. Grasim stop loss is at, we have to increase our, initially we had kept at this level above this resistance, okay, but now this resistance is at this point of time, okay, this trend line, so we have to keep above that, okay, but in our stop loss we'll be keeping it at 1790 in case if there is a sudden movement, so we should not be losing more money in that, okay. Regarding PVR, it is showing us good entry. First thing. Second thing is that target also we can keep it up till 1603. The good entry point is forming. But a bit late, we could have gone for 1624. Should we enter in PVR? Yes, based on the previous candlesticks, we can enter. But remember, the risk is going to today. The risk will be everywhere same 0.5, not more than that. And Grasim stop loss. PVR, how many of you got? I missed it by 5 paise somewhere. Target it is 1603 for PVR. This is the level 1605. Entry should be at 1621 somewhere, and target will be 1605. I should go to sell side. After going this high, we cannot go for sell side. First thing is that, and even if you're going for it, it won't be giving us. It's not a confirmed entry basically. Today it is going to test your patience, nothing else. Whether it is for stop loss or anything, I believe it is going to test your patience only. So it has going to hit our stop loss now. Just wait for the candle closing and then we'll exit. Candle closing. वेट करते हैं देखते हैं इसके नीचे जाना पड़ेगा because if you see I had mentioned over here that if the candle is getting rejected then we could have as of now we have to wait. ACC is coming downside. Okay, ग्रासिम भी आ जाए तो सही होगा. Once it is closing downside, we can expect this to come down. Your target is at 2305.8. But this target is like final target. Before that also will be exiting few in a case if it is in coming in our favor. Do not worry about PV. It might be some smaller pullback and then it can start coming downside, or max to max we can expect it to go till here if it is a reversal then. जब तक ये ब्रेक नहीं होगा यहाँ पे तब तक नहीं कह सकते कि हाँ मार्केट नीचे आ गई. If it is breaking this, we can say that. Consider it. Oh, great. So that's the reason I was waiting for this particular level की वो break हो जाए तो great, yeah. Great fall. Oh, what these could have candles mean that कि stop loss लोगों का hit हुआ होगा. Anyway, that's fine. I hope no one has exited. See, there is nothing confirmation that it will be going downside. It is only on the candle closing. If it is candle is closing below here, no, then we can expect it to come downside. Everyone is holding, right? Okay, great. So yeah, it has come out in the profit also now. Okay, let's wait for the candle closing now. And everyone is in some minimal profit looking at the situation. I hope PVR no one has taken. I know that very few had taken. PVR we have a target of 0.1605. SEC is reversing. ACC, it is very much important to close below this to give us a movement. It's very much important. For ASIM also, it is at our level only. If this candle is closing below this, no, we can easily expect a much bigger target at 1746 is it will be giving us. ACC should not go in range, that's the only thing. So yeah, let's wait now. Everyone should be at some kind of minimal profit, minimal loss, not big one. Now it should be in profit only. Should I enter in Grasim after confirmation? Huh? All as if you see that it is taking support, that is obviously a fact that it will be taking support. ACC has also going downside. It is almost near to our first target. This is the point. Okay, this is the point where we should have booked our first target. That's fine. Let it come down. And PVR also. We should book our one target at this point of time. So let's book it. Let's follow risk management without doing any kind of modify. 250 quantity. I'll exit now. Just follow risk management, nothing else. Okay. The profit is not going to decrease. Nothing like that. So 8.9 PVR may hit our target, or okay, yeah, it is going to hit our target now. It's almost near to this. Who has started booking their profit? It started moving upside. I'll do that. Let's book the profit first. Let's trail the stop loss instead of just trail to this point. Trail your stop loss, exit half means, and the rest will keep it. ACC also we had to trail our stop loss at this point of time, means we had to book half profit at this point of time because we look at this is the support level. So once it is coming at this level, once again, if it is coming, PVR had almost given our target actually. We can expect it to go till here and come back. If it is not, then we'll exit at this point of time. The reason we have taken the trade, we didn't go for the buy side in any of the entries because all were at resistance. Either it has to break, then only we could have gone for the buy side. None of them are showing buy side entry, so we have not gone for it. Okay. So again, it has started coming downside. So if it is coming at this level, we'll exit half, which is around 2318, and then leave around half quantity. So let me just book half. See, in stock market, do not be greedy that you want completely. See, we are looking for a risk reward ratio of 1 minute of 1:1.85. Okay, over here, and initially our target was just at this point of time. So it has first target is almost done only. Well, explaining also it has gone. Grasim, let me see what is happening in Grasim. It is not moving. It has taken support from here. Grasim will exit cost to cost. Break even will exit at this level mostly. It is not giving us. We do not want to risk more. If this breaks, let's say, if this breaks, we can take target up to pivot point, which is 595. As I followed risk management, 595, and I'll trail my stop loss also in PVR 1595, and at the same time 1595.5. At the same time, I have to trail my stop loss till this level or max to max 17. I can trail it. Only Grasim is not going in our way properly. If we see, okay, we'll be trailing it. I hope everyone is in profit, right? No one should be in loss by looking at this condition. I don't believe so. Anyone should be in a loss because I've been guiding you throughout. Is there anyone who is in loss? Please reply at least with me if you are in. थोड़ा लंबा जा रहा है, but that's fine. The live trade we started at 9:15. It's almost going to be more than 1.5 hours. But it's all about now profit booking. We do not have to take any other entry now. Aisha Motor has given. So yeah, someone when you had asked me for Aisha Motors, the reason why I didn't tell you that we can go for the entry, it could have reversed any point of time. So we could have gone for the entry at 2687. Reversal, pullback, confirmation, we can go for the trade. And this is the point 2686, and definitely we could have kept a target 86. We have gone right. So 20 points first target will be at this point of time, and second we could have kept at here. On the total deployed capital, this is approximately 2 to 2.5% return, which is a good percentage return. And everyone, I guess, would have got looking at this ACC and Grasim at least 1.5% return or more than that, because you have taken a risk of 0.5% only. So those who want to book your PVR target, you can book it up. Because there is a small resistance is here. So if this breaks, straight fall. Grasim is once again up. We should have exited Grasim at cost to cost only. I'll put a trigger. video for the same. Okay, so as discussed, my quantity has been exited. Orders ka, if you can see, ACC automatically exit ho gaya. And PVR is still going on. बस हमारा ग्रासिम ही नहीं गया अच्छे से. Those who want to exit your trades, you have got approximately 20 points. You can exit. That's your choice. But the target over, we have trailed our stop loss. Okay. And trailing our stop loss and booking half profit, everything matters in this. Okay. This is the point of again one reversal from where it is reversing. But yes, I believe that what can happen from here, it will go a bit upside till here, and then again it can start. So you cannot expect that in one shot you'll get all the targets. Grasim का stop loss, it has hit now, so it has exited. बाकी बचे हैं 2 ट्रेड्स, वो देखते हैं. यहाँ से रिवर्स कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज हमें अपना स्टॉप लॉस ना इसके ऊपर रखना चाहिए था, बिकॉज ये रेजिस्टेंस लाइन इट हैज कम अप, बट वापस से इसको होल्ड करके रखना. आई डिडंट वांटेड टू सेट केप माय स्टॉप लॉस. अब इसके बाद नीचे आने के चांसेस है या नहीं, दैट्स लीव इट. नो री-एंट्री विल बी हैपनिंग. दो अलग अलग एसएल रखने से क्या बेनिफिट्स होगा? दो अलग अलग कहाँ रखा है हमने? लेट मी जस्ट चेक इट आउट. ग्रासिम का ये हमने जो टारगेट रखा है, वी हैव टू कैंसिल इट आउट. नाउ वी हैव पीवीआर का टारगेट है एंड स्टॉप लॉस है, एंड एसीसी का हमारा सीधा एक टारगेट है. ग्रासिम का जैसा लग रहा था कि ये यहाँ से रेजिस्टेंस लेगा, नीचे की तरफ आना स्टार्ट करेगा. सेम वही हो रहा है, बट वापस से स्टॉप लॉस हिट होने के बाद जो हुआ, जो प्लान था कि पर्टिकुलर जब यहाँ पे रखा था हमने स्टॉप लॉस, हमने इसको इंक्रीज किया, सेम उसी पॉइंट से लिया, इसने रिवर्सल वापस से सेम उसी पॉइंट से उसी रेजिस्टेंस से रिवर्सल ले रहा है अभी. ठीक है, तो वापस से री-एंट्री नहीं करेंगे यहाँ पे. तो ग्रासिम if we see, same thing happened, came till here and then started bouncing back. So now the time you have seen everything now. So you have seen how risk management plus patience is important for all the trades whichever we are taking. So I had taken after that Nifty hedging trades also, where I had booked around 5,000 rupees, and in equity I had booked approximately 15,000 rupees I had booked. So let's look at the entries which we had. So Grasim I had taken, so it didn't go in my way, and we had to exit at our stop loss, and some people had exited at cost to cost as well. Okay, and then PVR was our wonderful trade which we had today. So PVR, if you see, we had taken at somewhere, I had taken at 1625 actually, and exited somewhere at 1699. So approximately 1:3 risk reward ratio over here I had got, and after that market had been completely, it has been great trade. If we see PVR, by following the risk management, I had booked this much, 10,000 to 250, or else if I had not have exited 250 quantity, then it could have been more. But we have to follow risk management. It is obviously reducing the profit, but at the same time it is reducing my risk also, okay, which is important. ACC also, if we see, ACC also has given us 1:1.85, a good target which we had got. Whatever we had discussed, the entry, the movement has been going great, and the profit which we were expecting at that point of time, and that also which we had achieved. If you can see over here in orders, PVR was exited at 50.99, ACC had exited at 2305. I had trailed my stop loss. After that I had entered in Bank Nifty. Then I had an entry in Aisha Motors also. Aisha Motor was showing good entry actually at that point of time. Okay, and it actually gave very quick movement, and I couldn't book my profit also. If we see over here, I entered somewhere at this point of time. Around 16 points, 17 points, it moved at this point of time, and I was not noticing that. I was not expecting actually that this big movement will be coming, or else I would have booked one target at this point of time. But then after that also, market was trying to go upside, but then I realized that it is going to be in range or it may go down, so I exited my trade. Over there also, if you can see, Aisha Motor had exited at 2669.75. Okay, so Aisha Motors to 205, it will go, everything will go in brokerage only. So in today's class, particularly live class, we learned a lot of things actually about risk management. Then we learned about stop loss, how to keep our stop loss properly, and how to have patience. The most important thing is that how to have patience, how much patience is actually required when we are trading. From almost hitting our stop loss to giving our best of the trades, that's how patience helps us in bringing the best trades. Okay, so that's all from my end, guys. Bye, take care, and we'll be having more videos coming up soon.